Overview of drug product dossier submission and processing at Nafdac. Introduction. A drug product dossier is as a collection of documents on a subject used to propose approval of a new drug. Dossiers contain administrative, quality, non-clinical, and clinical data. They can come in various formats, and CTD submission format is presently adopted in Nafdac. Information within the CTD is organized into a series of structured documents which are in turn organized into modules.
The M4 guidance organization of the Common Technical Document and IC General Questions and Answers provides the definition of a document and guidance on table of contents TOC, formatting, cross-referencing within the CTD and for document pagination, segregation and section numbering.
Dossier submission window. Nafdac opens submission of dossiers from various stakeholders across the country and continents, following a quarterly advertisement on the agency website Nafdac.gov via the Submit Dossier link at the e-Services section. Submission entries are received from both imported and local applicants.
Dossier Management System opening parenthesis www.nafdacdossier.ng is an interactive platform where dossiers are enrolled and processed from a Z. Meanwhile, the Drug Regulatory and Registration Affairs Directorate has introduced a PRE submission meeting for local pharmaceutical manufacturers intending to improve the quality of submitted dossiers and key into the vision of the 5+5 policy.